I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sign up on Dropbox. For that, you'll need to open up your Dropbox app. After you open up your app, tap on the blue tab that says sign up. Now you'll need to enter your first name, your last name, your email address, and your password. Be sure to create a strong password. After you are done, tap on the small square box if you agree to Dropbox terms and privacy policy. Then tap on Create Account. Select your Dropbox subscription plan according to your preference. This way you can create Dropbox account. Now you can backup, share, and access your files and photos anywhere. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.